What is up, everyone? Hope you are having a fantastic day. Just a few days ago, Google announced a new gaming platform called Stadia, and this thing seems pretty cool. I guess we'll have to see how it turns out, but let's get into the video. Alright, this is Stadia. Stadia is a cloud-based gaming subscription service run by Google, and man, this thing has a lot of potential. But it has to be done right. Google says that you could, for example, be watching a game trailer for a game that just came out. At the end of the trailer, there would be a link to play the game. Google says that you could start playing the game in as soon as 5 seconds. That is crazy. There would be no downloads because it's all in the cloud, and so goodbye to all those hours waiting for the new game to load. You can play it just as soon as it comes out. At launch, Google says that this will support laptops, mobile devices, your desktop computers, basically any of your devices, and they even say it could support Google Chromecast, so you could play these kind of games on your TV. You can use your current controller, so you can use your keyboard, your mouse, or you can use any of the other USB inputted controllers. In addition, Google has developed their own controller, and this controller has some really cool quick access tools. On the controller, it has a button to share directly. You can share directly to YouTube, directly to basically any other social platform, and you can share it with your friends as well. And they also have the Google Assistant button, and this button allows you to talk to Google in-game without interrupting your gameplay. You can even get info on how to complete a level, or like if you're stuck, you could ask, what do I do next? Google says this platform will be launching in 2019, but has not given any specific dates. It will launch in the US, Canada, the UK, and in parts of Europe, and I would definitely expect this, if it does well, to expand to other regions. They also said that they would be giving more information this summer, so we'll have to see what they give then, but they say that it's going to be released this year, so I would expect sometime later in 2019. Hope you really liked the video. If you liked the video, I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button right here, right there, just hit it. And if you guys would like to watch another video of mine, click right here. And if you want to watch more tech videos, click right here. Have a good day. I'll see you next time.